once again.
Hello wonderful people and welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Aditya Gupta, and recently I had visited Ladakh last month. So due to unavailability of leaves, I had to transport my bike into train, and then I myself traveled through flight and took my bike from Jammu. So in that case, I was actually a bit threatened, like not threatened. Actually, I was a bit scared in transporting my bike. The bike lovers over here who are watching this video might be aware of my pain or my tension, you can say. So I tried to search a lot of things over the web on basically how to pack my bike efficiently so that I protect it from damage. But unfortunately, I could not find anything really helpful. So at that point, I decided to make a video wherein at least people can get a basic idea on how to pack your bike and what materials need to be used. I myself had used a foam. Basically, you called it Hitlon. One of my friends suggested it, and he suggested it to pack it using Hitlon. So I used a 2-inch Hitlon. It comes this thick, and it really helps a lot in protecting your bike, especially if your bike is not of metal. The tank and most of the body parts nowadays are coming of fiber, so in that case it really helps a lot. So without further ado, let's move to the video. I had recorded some videos over that at that time. I would like to share it with you all on so that you can get an idea, and you can if at all you are going to pack your bike and send it over a transport. So this will help you a lot in at least having a basic idea on how you can cover the majority of the parts of the bike. So let's move. So people, this is my Pulsar Rs200, and as you can see, this is completely made up of fiber. I would just like to show it to you all from all the sides before moving on to the actual video, packaging video. So let's move ahead. So guys, this is the Hitlon sheet that I was talking about. It is 2 inches thick, and I've just wrapped my bike's upper body with it entirely. This I have done because the parcel wagon guys won't be keeping my bike safe, and it is entirely my responsibility. They would be throwing any kind of weight on my bike when it is in the wagon, and it would be very deadly if any heavyweight material is kept upon my bike, and it could damage the body of my bike. So I have done this thing, and also I have instructed the packaging guy to tie the nylon ropes from above the Hitlon sheet to the metal parts below my bike and not the fiber parts. So at least I can you just need to take the care of your bike, that even during packaging, you need to pay entire attention to the packaging guy, and you need to instruct him from time to time, and wherever you can, it is absolutely essential. And also I would advise you to whenever you're transporting your bike, make sure that you pack your bike in front of your eyes. Don't leave it up to the parcel guy and just leave, because they won't care at all. They would just pack it with the sacks that you can see over here in the video. They would just pack it with it, and just move your bike into the wagon, which is very dangerous if your bike is of fiber material or something like that. And nowadays most of the bikes that are available in market, which are basically which are made up of fibers, and so it is very risky to transport your bike like that without any protection, especially when you're moving on to a trip, a bigger trip. And such bikes which are delicate needs an extra attention. All right, so you can see now I have just finished the upper body wrapping. Now I have moved it to now I'm wrapping it with a thin sheet of hitlon. It is also a hitlon sheet, but it is very thin sheet, so that it is foldable. And I have wrapped the front part of my headlights of my bike, basically. So I have just the guy is just wrapped it with thin hitlon sheet. Also, now the what he's doing is I have given him some extra bubble wraps that I had received my parcels in from Amazon. So I had kept it thinking about this packaging thing. All right, so now as you can see from the video, the upon the hit launch sheet, the guy has wrapped it with a gunny sack, plastic sacks that are available. He has wrapped it up completely. Only the things that are visible now is my mudguard, my silencer. After that, he instructed me to just write the name, my mobile number upon the bike. I have done that, and then I instructed him to again keep it, keep my mudguard safe. So I told him to wrap it with a gunny sack. So he's doing that thing. So that's what I told you about. Like, guys, if you need to keep your bike safe, you need to instruct them. They won't care. Okay, so again, after packaging, we came to know that the bike's handle was not moving. In order to move my bike into the parcel wagon, they need to, turn the handle completely. They need to take it to the station. So after that, it was completely ready, and this is the final view of my packed bike. You can see I have tried my best to cover it up entirely, and it costed me a few extra bucks, but I feel it is surely worth it. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and do subscribe and press the bell icon if you do not want to miss any more informative videos that I'll be posting in future. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.